Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate rich results test for structured data verification, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type rich results test and hit enter. Click on the link that directs you to the rich results test page. Once the page loads, you will see a text box in the center. Copy and paste your website URL into this text box. Alternatively, you can select the Code tab to manually enter your structured data. After inputting your URL or code, click on the Test URL or Test Code button. The tool will begin analyzing your structured data. Wait a few moments for the test results to load. Once complete, review the results displayed on the screen. If your structured data is valid, you will see the relevant rich results. In case there are issues, the tool will highlight errors or warnings. Click on each error for more details and troubleshooting tips. Make any necessary adjustments to your structured data on your website. After making changes, return to the Rich Results test page to retest. Repeat this process until your structured data is error-free. Once satisfied, your site will be ready to display rich results in search engines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.